What an idiot. What an idiot. What an idiot?
What an idiot.
What an idiot.
What an idiot.
What an idiot.
What? An idiot?
What an idiot?
What an idiot.
What an idiot.
What an...
What?
Wow.
Acting. Hey, we'll go back to our stupid reactions of Corbin. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter for more juice content.
You know, speaking of acting, it's fun to watch people in acting classes, unless they've been directed, told what to do. It's fun to watch them end the scene, whatever, how they end it, because if they gets like cut, scene, done,
Today we got a cricket video. This is 15 funny and crazy moments in cricket.
Try
not to laugh.
We haven't had a try not to laugh.
I don't know if it's an actual challenge.
I know,
I think
but
that's
like
just
it's been
the title.
2.5 years, ezy.
Because if it's funny, I'm going to laugh.
Please get us another try not to laugh. I love them.
Yeah, they're so fun. But let's just get into this bad boy.
All right, good. This makes me happy. I hope pants come off.
Short leg has just given a look at Snicko. Nothing there, but lovely Shane. Is there anything Shane after it? It was amazing.
He's like... thought the game was over. She was like, okay, whatever.
Boys played well.
Watch her face afterwards. She's like, okay.
Talk about a gentle smile in the spot. Pearce ends up on the wrong side of the pitch here.
Ozzy goes down. Dark.
It's
51.3 kilometres an hour.
That's great.
What just happened?
Let's have a look here. There's a stage where he's definitely out of his wrist, and now it's broken there, but there's still one nail on.
He's
Back there.
He's just hitting them all.
And then Gilchrist says,
Do you need to hit both of them off?
Depends what he does here. He's fencing out of the ground.
Like if one stays on?
Oh, B.A. Just.
Oh no!
Oh, the magic spray. Oh. Yeah.
There's a Quaker down!
Yeah. He took a spectacular catch today.
Pretty sure that he nicked this time.
Oh!
Didn't look like that he hit the thigh pad this time. It was pretty sure that he got the under edge this time, but denied it once again by Simon Toffel.
Oh!
I was like, what was funny?
Well, he's rubbing his head. He threw the ball up in
Threw
the
it
air
up.
and came down straight onto his head.
Hurry here, please.
He was begging, over here, please!
Delayed appeal from Rishabh Pant.
Oh, he's still playing.
It's still going.
Oh. Still got 3 reviews left. India.
What's happening?
Something is
I don't know.
entertaining them out there, and I think it's none of them went his way. Jefferson's appeal. Well, 6 times that occasion. That didn't go as well. And 5 times that occasion.
He ran half the way there on his hands and knees.
Nice.
overpitched by Razak.
Oops.
And fumbles. So it's getting a bit down.
Oh, no.
It's fumbling again.
Do it again.
Oh dear. Keystone Cops. Oh, he saved the boundary. He managed to make 4 runs out of it. The crowd loved it. I bet the bowler did.
Oh! Please tell me you had a cup on. Oh. He was in the middle of calling that. Oh! Just out of reach the whole time. Yep, whoop. Yep. I'm gonna get it. Oh,
that's funny. Yeah, those are good. That was funny.
I liked it.
Yeah, that was. Do you think he was going to call it?
That hand was coming up, and then he just decided, no, I'm not gonna call.
I'd be kind of pissed though.
Oh
You
yeah.
were about to. I feel like I don't know what I don't know how to call. But
Right.
Stuff had been crickets. I have no idea. No, if it was a strike or what are they calling? Are they calling it
Outs.
outs?
Yeah.
That's right. That's what they're calling.
If they're out, it made me think. I mean, it reminded me of all the kinds of calls that umpires can make. Do you know that in the minor leagues, in AAA ball, they're testing out digital umpiring?
In what way?
No umps. Let it all, because everything's on replay for things anyways. But like strike zone, the strikes would be called digitally.
I don't mind them testing it just to see how it'll go. I fucking hate refs. So
Yeah, it's a whole other world in football.
yeah, I know.
That's different. But in baseball, the human element is part of what I
but I don't want
love about it.
Human element, but not human error.
No, but that's why you can overturn a call in baseball now.
If you
They
if
do
you
a
can
great
do that,
job.
why not just have it be a computer?
But that's the point. Is it's just
I want athletes to be able to play. I don't want any human error to make a bad call or a wrong call in any sport. That should be left up to the players to do what they do. I fucking hate refs. Garbage.
and I would just miss, because umpiring is its own art form, man. Like to see a really close bang bang play, and you don't know if the runner was out, and you look at the umpire at first and wait to see if they call him safe or they punch him out. It's part of the game.
I don't mind them testing it.
And I don't know. I have no idea. I mentioned that because watching him do that and come up there, I have no clue how much technology is involved in current cricket rules. What has changed? What's in the hopper to
Also,
potentially
let me
change
know
it?
about because I did not even think about it. I thought if you just touch it, it's fine, and that was just
Right.
I thought the things on top were just an indication that you
That you
touched
hit it.
But do they both need to come off in order to get the out?
It was my understanding that you just need to have one of them come off.
Okay.
That you didn't need to get all three. It's just you need to get one of them. I
didn't even think about it.
I don't know.
Yeah, let us know. And other cricket videos we can react to, funny ones, good ones, anything like that, let us know down below.
Just